All right, good afternoon, everyone. We're going to be doing a follow-up of the ETF that I made in my last video. And this ETF is going to be EFXL. We talked about my moving averages and why I have them color-coded. One of the reasons for that is because, as you can clearly see here, when our red line, which is the red line moving average, is on top and is pointing straight down, and the green line moving average is at the bottom and is pointing straight down, that lets us know that we are in a clear downtrend. Now, what happens is once we have a crossover and we have our green line moving average, which is on top and is pointing up, and our red line moving average at the bottom and it's also pointing up, that lets us know that we're in a possible uptrend. But I did not buy or jump into this particular trade because what happened was our green line moving average was on top and it was pointing straight up. The red line moving average is at the bottom, but it was going sideways. But now we can see here where our red line moving average is starting to point in the upward direction, but our green line moving averages is still kind of pointing down, but now it's pointing down. And if you zoom in, let's zoom this in a little bit, we can see where it's kind of like about to do a turnaround, like it's going to start pointing up as well. And that'll let us know that we're in a possible clear uptrend. But something that can confirm that is once the price closes above this area of resistance, this red line here, this red line here is an area of resistance. And once our price point closes above that area of resistance and our red line moving averages is pointing up, our green line moving averages is pointing up, that lets us know that we are going to be in a clear uptrend and we can possibly ride that wave all the way up to about $48.75, right around here, all right? Now, the next thing I want to look at is something that can confirm that is our RSI. Right now, our RSI is well above the 50 mark, and it's been staying above it consistently for the past couple days. So that's also like a third indication to let us know that, hey, you know what? Our stock, the stock may be going into a clear uptrend. We just needed to break through this area of resistance, because once it breaks through this area of resistance here, let's shrink down the screen, you can see this is the only area of resistance that we have, and all over here, there's really no other area of resistance. So more than likely, it can just ride the waves all the way up. For those of you that are interested in learning how to trade, I do have a course that is available on Udemy. It's called Stock Trading Simple Beginner Guide, and it is currently rated as one of the top rated online courses on Udemy for learning how to trade stocks. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys have a good night.